A Ekhatha property 4 BHK duplex that I'm going to show today is located only 50 meters from this point, Hennur Main Road, just next to Mantri Splendor. Hey guys, this is Prithvi from Savaria Seth Estates. I have been receiving many calls, requests from my clients for nearly 2 years now to help them in searching a good quality 3 BHK or a 4 BHK duplex home closest to the main roads and developments on a plot which is a Ekhatha for a price ranging around 1 crore to 1.5 crore. But the fact is, I'm not able to help anybody in this budget for years now. Not just Ekhatha, even a Bkhatha ready to move in 3 or 4 BHK duplex home is just next to impossible for the price range of 1 crore to 1.5 crore. Seriously, it is just next to impossible, guys. Keeping this in mind, many clients of mine have suggested me to look out for an small independent building where a couple of flats can be merged and modified in a beautiful 3 BHK or a 4 BHK duplex, and at the same time having a couple of like-minded neighbors for all sorts of security reasons. So here I am in this property with this lovely construction built on BBMP Ekhatha plot. The size of the plot is 2300 square feet. By this video, I have tried my best to reach up to almost all my clients' expectation in giving them what they wanted. That is Ekhatha, 4 BHK duplex, very much on a main road, most importantly, ready to move in, good construction quality on Hennur Main Road. And the best part is this Ekhatha property, 4 BHK duplex would only cost you 1 crore 27 lakhs. Yes, you heard it right. This 4 BHK duplex on Hennur Main Road would only cost you 1 crore 27 lakhs, and the biggest bonus is it comes with 2 car park, which will be reserved and covered car parks. So to explain you more, I will have to take you to the outer elevation of the property. This car park area can accommodate 5 cars and bikes as well. This property comes with connection of Kaveri, CMC, and also a personal borewell in it. As you can see, the car parking area can easily accommodate 5 cars and few two-wheelers as well. And if you join hands with your neighbor, you can also hire a security in this building for 24/7. So now is the time to have a look at the outer elevation of this building and understand how the units look like from outside. As you can see in the screen, this elevation we call it as Unit 1, 4 BHK duplex located just over the car park. This 4 BHK duplex is totally a standalone unit and will eventually measure 2200 square feet built up area. Currently on the first floor is a 2 BHK and the second floor has a 2 BHK of 1100 square feet each flat. After the modification, it will be converted and merged in one massive luxury 4 BHK duplex with stays given internally. Anyways, the buyer would have total liberty to customize the plan and work it out with the builder to have a dream home as he or she wants. All in the cost of 1 crore 27 lakhs. And if you wish to take Unit 2, which will be again a luxurious 4 BHK duplex right next to the car park on the left hand side, then this is the outer elevation. This will give an independent feel as it's on the ground floor. Currently it has 1100 square feet of 2 BHK in the ground floor and 1100 square feet of 2 BHK on first floor. So this 4 BHK duplex unit is named as Unit 2. Now coming to the last unit, that is Unit number 3. This 4 BHK duplex is slightly smaller than the rest. This 4 BHK duplex is located right on the top of Unit number 2, currently, which is a 2 BHK on second floor and 1 BHK on the terrace. After merging both into one 4 BHK duplex, it should approximately measure around 1800 square feet, 4 BHK luxurious duplex. And the best part is, this 4 BHK duplex enjoys direct access to its share of terrace. Having an undivided share of land, all 3 4 BHK duplexes will be separate entity always. Unit number 1 4 BHK duplex is on the right hand side and right on the top of the car park, and unit number 2 and 3 4 BHK duplexes are on the left side of the building. As you can see on the screen, unit number 1, a 4 BHK duplex, is separated from unit number 2 and 3 by an external stairs, making unit number 1 and unit number 2 and 3 into 2 major portions. So here is the external stairs which goes up till the terrace. Due to some technical reasons, I have mentioned my contact number verbally in this video. So kindly do call me for visiting this property. As I earlier mentioned in this video that in the budget of 1 crore to 1.5 crore, owning a 3 BHK or a 4 BHK duplex ready to move in new independent villa is just next to impossible. So I dedicate this video to all my viewers and subscribers who have a dream to own a Ekhata luxurious 4 BHK duplex home on a Hennur main road. In this property, builder has got all the necessary building plans sanctioned from BBMP authorities. Hence in future, one can easily sell unit number 1, 2 or 3 separately without depending on anybody. And quickly to add, this beautiful view is enjoyed by all the 4 BHK duplexes. This is just behind the building. And quickly note down my phone number, it's 99722 56103. Enjoy the video. Thank you.